Running an accounting practice is about helping clients manage their finances, but handling lead generation, appointment scheduling, and client follow-ups can be time-consuming. These tasks can take you away from providing the quality service your clients expect. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template tailored specifically for accountants. This solution automates your lead management, simplifies client communication, and streamlines scheduling so you can focus on growing your practice. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically gathers leads from your website, social media, and ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM to ensure you never lose a potential client. 3. Instant follow-ups. 4. When a lead inquires about your services, the system sends personalized follow-ups via SMS or email, keeping them engaged and encouraging them to book a consultation. 5. Consultation scheduling. 6. With an integrated booking calendar, clients can easily schedule consultations or tax preparation meetings online, eliminating back-and-forth communication. 7. Automated reminders. 8. The system sends reminders for scheduled consultations or deadlines, helping clients stay organized and ensuring no missed appointments. 9. Post-consultation follow-ups. 10. After each meeting, the system follows up to thank clients, gather feedback, and present additional services or packages. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, improve client communication, and grow your accounting business. With lead capture, follow-ups, scheduling, reminders, and post-meeting engagement all handled automatically, you'll have more time to focus on delivering financial expertise. Ready to transform your accounting practice? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait. Streamline your operations now.